With multiple brands offering water coolers and dispensers, you're faced with a difficult choice to choose the right fit for your home or office. Primo has become a preferred option due to the high-quality dispensers offered by the brand, along with the affordability of their coolers. But how do you know which is the best Primo bottom-load water dispenser? We've researched and found the 6 top-rated Primo bottom-load water dispensers as well as the worst 2 to avoid. And now for the Freshnss.com reviews of the 6 best Primo bottom-load water dispenser plus the 2 worst to avoid. Coming in at number 1, the Primo stainless steel 1-spout self-sanitizing bottom-load water cooler dispenser. If you're looking for the best Primo bottom-load self-cleaning water dispenser, then the Primo stainless steel 1-spout self-sanitizing bottom-load water cooler dispenser is one of the top options that you're going to find in the market. This dispenser allows you to dispense water at a boiling hot temperature, ice cold, or just a cooled down temperature. The device has a stainless steel dripping tray, which means it's incredibly easy to clean, and the drip tray can be placed in the washer with risking the extreme temperatures of the dishwasher harming the piece. The dispenser has a built-in child safety feature that helps to avoid spills of boiling hot water on your child, an important feature for anyone who has children in the house. Coming in at number 2, the Primo Pewter 3-spout bottom-load water cooler dispenser. The best Primo bottom-load water dispenser that we found to fit all of our criteria and provides a good balance between price, performance, and overall quality was the Primo Pewter 3-spout bottom-load water cooler dispenser. This water dispenser also comes with 3 different settings for water temperature. The water bottle is loaded at the bottom of the device and is then stored in a closed compartment, which means no bottle will be on the outside. The dispenser has a sophisticated overall design that will fit in with almost any type of decor of either your kitchen or your office. It is easy to clean this device, and the drip tray catches any water that overflows or spills. Coming in at number 3, the Primo Black 2-spout bottom-load water cooler dispenser. The best cold and hot Primo bottom-load water dispenser for anyone who needs such an appliance on a smaller budget is the Primo Black 2-spout bottom-load water cooler dispenser. The water dispenser has 2 different temperatures at which water can be dispensed. According to the manufacturer, this includes a boiling hot or ice cold setting. The ice cold water dispenser has a child resistant lock that can be enabled when the children will be using the device for water. This will help to avoid hot water from spilling on your children. This water cooler requires no installation process apart from the bottle that needs to be filled and loaded in the bottom compartment and of course connected to the appropriate settings inside the dispenser. The dispenser comes with a UL certificate and a 1-year warranty to ensure factory faults and certain problems can be fixed quickly and without costing you extra money. Coming in at number 4, the Primo Black Professional 1-spout bottom-load dispenser and drip coffee maker. The best high-end Primo bottom-load water cooler that we were able to find is the Primo Black 1 Professional 1-spout bottom-load dispenser and drip coffee maker. This truly is the ultimate device to be added to your kitchen. While the average water dispenser features multiple temperatures of water, the dispenser goes on one step further and adds a coffee maker at the top of the dispenser. What this means is that you can simply add your coffee to the built-in machine and you'll be able to pour and drink up. The device also comes with a capacitive touch panel along with a drip tray that can be cleaned in your dishwasher. Even though this dispenser offers high-end features, it's still an affordable buy and even cheaper than some dispensers on the market with less useful features. Coming in at number 5, the Primo Black Pro Plus 2-spout bottom-load water cooler dispenser. We found the best stainless steel Primo bottom-load water dispenser to be the Primo Black Pro 2-spout bottom-load water cooler dispenser. Even though the brand does not explicitly mention the fact that the dispenser is part of their stainless steel series, it does feature a stainless steel design, including a drip tray that you can place in the dishwasher. The dispenser has a black design with color-coded buttons that can be used on the front of the device to dispense either hot or cold water. The product has a child lock feature to avoid children from accidentally dispensing hot water instead of cold water. The fast flow feature also makes filling up larger containers, such as sports bottles, faster and more convenient. This dispenser also requires no installation due to the bottom loading feature. Coming in at number 6, the Primo White 2-Spout Bottom Load Water Cooler Dispenser. And finally, the Primo White 2-Spout Bottom Load Water Cooler Dispenser also is a great choice and comes in a white color, which is useful for individuals who do not prefer the black option that we have recommended thus far in this review. The Primo White 2-Spout Bottom Load Water Cooler Dispenser has a bottom load feature and comes with a removable drip tray, making it easier to clean. The dispenser can heat water and cool water down simultaneously. 2 separate dispensers are found in the front of the device to dispense either cold or hot water depending on what you need. The bottles are used to supply the dispenser with water that's concealed in a bottom tray, which also reduces the risk of spilling water while filling up the dispenser. And now for the Primo water bottle coolers dispensers to avoid. The Primo stainless steel 3-spout bottom load water cooler dispenser. We found the Primo stainless steel 3-spout bottom load water cooler dispenser to be the worst Primo water cooler on the market. This dispenser has 3 temperature options and dispensers, one for cold water, one for hot water, as well as the middle dispenser for cool water that is not ice cold. The dispenser is made from stainless steel for durability and features a bottom loading water bottle that helps to prevent spills and other problems that are often faced with top loader dispensers. There's no need for plumbing with this device. It does, however, seem like the compressor of this dispenser does not last long for most people who have bought it before, and also does not come with a bottle, adding an additional expense to your purchase. And the next to avoid, the Primo Black Professional 1-Spout Bottom Load Dispenser with Capacitive Touch. You should also avoid this Primo water dispenser if you want to buy a dispenser that will offer you maximum performance along with the features you need in an extended lifespan. This dispenser comes with a capacitive touch panel that is used to dispense water, which seems to wear or not and is always responsive towards the user's touch. This dispenser does feature a sophisticated design and hides the bottle with a built-in door that closes in front of the compartment where the bottle is stored. The Primo Black Professional 1-Spout Bottom Load Dispenser with Capacitive Touch can dispense water at 2 temperatures, hot or cold. It also comes with a safety lock as well as the ability to place the dispenser anywhere due to the refillable bottle that is used to supply the water to this device. And now the Freshnss.com final thoughts on buying the best Primo bottom load water dispenser. While the idea of a water cooler in your kitchen or office is certainly beneficial, not all of these dispensers are the same. Some offer better quality, a longer lifespan, and more convenient features than others. The Primo brand often stands out over other brands because they offer quality water coolers at attractive prices. We looked at the best Primo bottom load water dispensers to help do your search for the perfect water cooler a breeze.